want to build muscle. And one of the biggest mistakes people make is they waste their time on exercises that do not help them do so. So I always like to help people understand the concepts of the actual topic of the conversation, not just the details, because there's so many details, sometimes it can be easily overlooked. So when I teach you the actual concepts and the spirit of the thoughts of what I'm telling you and explaining to you, it's so much easier for you to actually execute this and not make mistakes. So, building muscle, stimulating muscle for growth has to do with muscle breakdown. So what you need to think about is this. You really need to do exercises, preferably compound exercises, which means many muscles working at the same time. Now, if you're not doing a compound movement, try to do a movement that requires stability. So if you're isolating a muscle, still try to do it in a way where the rest of your body has to create the stability, because then more muscle fibers are firing, more muscles are working, which means you actually have more potential to build muscle. So ultimately what I'm talking about here, exercises that are not going to help you build muscle are the motherfuckers where you're sitting on a goddamn machine and you're relaxed, except for the one little spot you're fucking working. Machines is what fucking kills this whole thing. You can think about back when there were no machines, there was no big fucking push, no big freaky thing about core. You know why? Because your core was fucking worked all the time when you were lifting fucking weights, meaning lifting shit up, lifting weights off the ground, picking up a dumbbell, picking up a fucking barbell. Now you can go to a gym and you can sit on a machine and be totally fucking relaxed other than working a single fucking isolated muscle, which means the only possibility you have to build muscle is in that little fucking space. When your whole body is stabilizing, that means your whole body is going to be put in a position where growing, building muscle, creating more stabilization, that's all part of the process. Your body really will move forward as a whole. You don't find single body parts that just get fucking exaggeratedly big, because the body has this innate thing. It has this inner push. It has this, I guess innate thing would be the best word, the best phrase. It's built-in mechanism to be somewhat balanced. It goes back to survival. If you were trying to run from a fucking lion and you had one big leg and one little leg, he's gonna fucking eat you and kill you real quick. So the body wants to develop evenly. It's a survival mechanism. So that being said, you're not going to just sit there and build your fucking biceps way out of proportion, because the body's not going to want to do that. It's going to fight you. So if you want to build muscle, think about getting off the goddamn isolating machines. If you want to isolate a muscle, do it with some sort of a free weight where the rest of your body stabilizes. That will help you. I'm not kidding you. It will help you greatly. You will feel everything changing. You will build more muscle. Muscle requires fuel, which means you'll be eating more. Your metabolism will speed up. You'll burn more body fat. It's like a fucking positive vortex. And all you got to do is stay off these goddamn machines that are designed to isolate. There you have it. The worst exercises to build muscle are the ones that isolate a single muscle. John Andersen bringing you a little more deep water.